What's going on? I am looking to take longs here after a big move down on Asia session. We could see we had a nice big move down here overnight. Um, this is like a 600-point move that already happened. Now we have price kind of made a little double bottom down here. You can see I kind of have an entry and a target up there. We might not hit the full TP, but I'm looking to take longs off of a reaction here at this reversal. If price can hold, we're seeing some bullish candles come in, and we'll take a swing at this. We can take a little stab here. I wouldn't mind a bounce down here. We'll target this liquidity zone over here. This is some 4-hour liquidity happening. Stop at these previous lows. Hopefully we get filled here and we can get a better average. Is this the same song? Come on, shout out Rakes. Shout out Rakes for the vibes, man. Shout out Rakes. Shout out Brandon Leon for the strategy, man. If you haven't checked out Brandon, I'm gonna link his socials in the description below so you guys can see exactly how you can read the market this way. We had a little bit of drawdown there. Didn't get filled on that second average, but we're in two contracts and we'll see how this reacts. I like this double bottom here on the lower time frame, so hopefully this gives us a little bit of sentiment. There's heavy selling pressure today, so this is counter trend trade. See if Mac could take us to the promised land. Come on, Mac. Let's go. Seems like we're getting a 5-minute flip in the trend. We have a shift of structure right here. This higher high broke this lower high. It attempted here, but it actually succeeded here. Had a nice pullback, which is the reason for entry. Old hour, 4-hour order block we're tapping into. It's just a counter trend trade. Like I said, there's a lot of selling pressure today, so we'll see how this plays out. Cheek to cheek. Better ever. I mean, it's just getting denied up here. we're already over VWAP on the 1 hour. It's kind of what I was waiting for. I like this 30-minute bullish pin bar here. Kind of all lines up with what you want to see in current price action, like live price action. You want to see the momentum to the upside. We have the last two 5-minute candles close green, and very bullish sentiment. You can see there's way more buyers in here, giving that sentiment that the selling pressure is done. We have, like I mentioned, the lower high, attempt to break and succeeded the break here. So you do have the shift of structure, which gives us the reason for entry. And you can just target old liquidity zones. When price breaks down, it'll create, lower highs, and that could easily be your target for some take profits. Just gotta let it play out. Just gotta let it play out. This could be like a failed bullish model here. With my old strategy, I would have waited for a break and retest of this level, but I guess we kind of already got that, so it's all kind of lining up here. Yeah, that AOI high is rejecting perfectly right now. Not a fan of that. Buyers seem to be in control down here. I mean, what I'm mostly paying attention to is this huge move to the downside. I think a recovery back to even like the 2900 level would be good. I think 2900 could be an easy TP. Could scale one here for about $1.50, and then full TP would be up here. Take profit on one there, just to kind of secure some profits if we don't get that full pullback, since we are in a counter trend trade. We don't have bullish momentum in the market whatsoever, but the natural course of price action when it is making lower lows is to somehow make lower highs. So that is always taken into consideration when you approach the market, depending on which leg you're at. See if we could pull for this equilibrium here. It's not even swing high, it's just the midway zone. Got a decent push here, up $100 on this contract. I honestly don't like all of these rejections up here. This level right here could easily reject, so I think if we clear this, I'm gonna go break even. It's like some people will say don't move your stops, trust your trade. I trade what's in front of me. So if we have this area that's shown multiple rejections down here, and once again recent price action is showing that rejection, it doesn't mean that we can't blast through it. Maybe even break and retest back to the entry level for a continuation to the upside. But you just got to play it as it goes. So depending on this bullish activity on the 5-minute, I like these closes. This candle's closing very bullish as well. So trade so far is looking nice. And as we can see here at 11:38, I was looking to scalp longs here. 20 minutes ago, I did alert it in the Discord. Also did put, the reason for it. You had a little double bottom. We have our entry signal here. We could target liquidity. So it's some would say trading is gambling, but I mean, you got months and months and months of the strategy playing out. So we're not pushing that zone that I'm afraid of us kind of like pulling back to the break even. I did say I was going to play it as it goes. So this momentum right here is very bullish. If I would have seen some sort of like hesitation in this level the way price did over here, it did get stuck for like, who knows, like 30 minutes. That's not the case here. We rejected it once. We pulled back to the entry level, and we're now taking off. So Clearing partials in about 30 or 40 points. Kobe Bryant 100-point incoming. We did enter at 2,800 and we are currently sitting at 2,875. That's 75 points in profit. Predetermined and alerted to my horn a little bit as my trade goes in profit. Every time you go into profit, it's normal to get these emotions. I'm still working on them myself. Just preaching to the choir here. You can't get too happy or disappointed with the results. It's just another day, and if you made 10,000 today, you could lose all of it tomorrow. So just trust the strategy. You know, now that we're hitting TP1 here, go ahead and put a sell limit down here. I don't like the fact that we could potentially, okay, so we're gonna hit TP1. Hopefully we do hit TP1 here. There you go, we have TP1 hit. And the rest of the trade is risk free. Go break even here, clear a little more, and we can target the top 28.9. Just show the results here. 115 points. Targeting 29.25. We'll just do 2,900. Keep it simple. What the hell did I just... Oh, okay, I think I replied to the wrong message. Here you go. Up 120 points. Targeting scale 1 con here. Targeting 2,900 full TP. This is nice. $400 on the day. I mean, we could just call it a day here. I mean, 120 points. What am I really looking for on a bearish day? I'll take that. $399, and that's my trade. I mean, this could easily push up, you know, hit TP, and then I feel like a bozo. This could, you know, edge my TP, not hit it, and then go back to break even, and then I feel like a genius for closing here. So hindsight trading is never the move. You take what you take. As you can see, price is kind of reacting here at the level that I closed. And you just kind of have to be satisfied with a portion of the move. You don't want to be involved in the entirety of the move. We did sell here 28,900. Okay, sold a little bit low, but nonetheless, we could already see price kind of stalling out here. If it does continue to TP2, congratulations for holding. I'm okay with $400 on the day. $400 across 5 accounts is well over 2 grand. So yeah, I'll be okay with that for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a like, comment, and if you want to see or if you have any other questions, I'll be happy to help you out or answer any of those questions in the Discord. Um, any links to my socials will be down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.